Okay everyone, this is just a fast video on this tactical tomahawk that I've been working on here. You've probably seen quite a few of my shorts that I put on already. This is the completed piece now, and this is, as you can see, it has a adjustable strap. This is completely removable if you'd like it, and as you can see, a closer view there, these are belt loops. Okay, the belt just goes right through there, so you can carry it right there if you want. This shoulder rig is adjustable as well. You see the buckle on there and the adjustable holes. Very comfortable this way. It can be carried in the back too. Kind of a everyday, outdoor rig. Doesn't get in the way too much. Anyway, the other part here is that it's a fast draw sheath. Comes right out. It doesn't have a loop right here that you have to pull it out of. This just fits right inside. Okay, now there's the head. And the spike. Spike is used for breaching, extraction, things like that. And of course the axe part here. Really good profile on that for splitting. Well, not so much splitting, but chopping. Of course, it is a defensive tomahawk. It's meant to be fast. About 1/4 of an inch, a little thicker maybe on the head. Handle is forged about 3/8, just a little under 3/8. And as you can see, there's a diamond point on the end too. This is hardened and tempered as well as the spike and the head. The handle has a leather wrap section here that's got actually for 2 hands if you wanted to use it that way. It's you can quite a few options on this tomahawk. Light in the hand, fast, very fast moving. Now this was completely hand forged from one piece of 5160 spring steel. Quite a bit of effort goes into making that type of a piece. You have to it's called upsetting the steel on the end here, where I actually heat just this part of the piece and I hammer down to develop a dense mass on top here, and then it's forged out on both sides. Quite a bit of work, considerably more than a knife, and again, it's completely rugged one-piece construction, so it's tough. And it can be used, as I say, for extraction, defense, anything in those topics there. So there it is again. As of today, this piece is available on my site right now. So thanks for watching. I'll have a lot more to come. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you again. We'll catch you in the next one.